Let's compare IDE to SCSI. With IDE, the CPU communicates with the system bus. This could be an ISA bus or PCI bus. That bus communicates with the hard drive controller, which is actually built in to the drive. And the hard drive controller then communicates with the hard drive. The system bus can only communicate with one hard drive at a time. With SCSI, Small Computer Systems Interface, the CPU communicates with the system bus, which then communicates with a host adapter. Now the host adapter communicates with a chain of SCSI devices. The hard drive controller could be one, the hard drive is another, the SCSI adapter itself is another, but we can have a chain of devices. The host adapter can control all of these devices at the same time. So when we're transferring data, a SCSI system is a much better way to transfer data, a much faster way to transfer data. There are many different variations of SCSI that have evolved over the years. Two general categories of SCSI are narrow, which is 8 bits, like an 8-lane highway, and wide, which is 16-bit SCSI, like a 16-lane highway. And then three major standards are regular SCSI, or SCSI 1, or just called SCSI, fast SCSI, SCSI 2, and ultra SCSI, which is both faster and wider. Data transfer, then, is accomplished by the SCSI host adapter communicating with each of the devices that are on the SCSI chain. For example, if I wanted to transfer information from one hard disk to the other, the SCSI host adapter could be running both of those hard disks and controlling both of those hard disks at the same time. This is a much faster way of data transfer. By the same token, if I was transferring information from a CD-ROM device to a hard disk, there's a much faster transfer of that information through a SCSI subsystem than there would be through the IDE subsystem. Next, we'll take a look at installing a SCSI hard drive.